The last decade have witnessed a surge in cyber attacks, and many companies were suffering a huge financial and reputational loss. The cost of cybercrime damages is expected to hit $5 trillion by 2020. These cyber attacks proved that no company is immune from a breach. So without wasting time, let's talk about the top 5 biggest cyber attacks on large companies. Fifth one on the list is eBay. In May 2014, eBay announced that hackers got into company's network using the credential of 3 corporate employees. It compromised 145 million users' accounts. The company said unknown hackers stole email addresses, encrypted passwords, birth dates, mailing addresses, and other information in an attack carried out between late February and early March. The files did not contain any of the financial information. eBay said it found no evidence of an unauthorized access to financial or any of the credit card information at its PayPal payments subsidiary, which encrypts and stores its data separately. Lastly, company urged 145 million users of its online commercial platform to change their passwords. eBay was criticized for poor implementation of the password renewal process at the time. Fourth on the list is Adobe. The software maker company reported the massive hacking of its IT infrastructure on October 2013. The company had originally said that 2.9 million accounts had been affected. Their logins, passwords, names, credit cards, and expiration dates were stolen. And that's not end there. Later that month, Adobe revealed that IDs and passwords of their 150 million users were stolen, in which 38 million were the active accounts. Hackers also illegally took copies of the source code of some of the company's widely used products like Adobe Reader and Photoshop. The hackers took advantage of a security breach because the source code contained the DNA of the software program. Computer experts said it could allow hackers to find and exploit any other potential weaknesses in security. An agreement in August 2015 was called for Adobe to pay $1.1 million in legal fees and an undisclosed amount to users to settle claims of violating the Customers Record Acts and unfair business practices. Number 3 on the list is LinkedIn. In 2012, LinkedIn suffered a data breach where hackers were found to have stolen password hash codes. It was later discovered that 6.5 million accounts' credentials were posted on a Russian password forum for the world to see. It wasn't until 2016 that revealed the incident. The same hacker named Peace was found to be offering the email address and passwords of around 165 million users of LinkedIn for just 5 bitcoins, and it was around $2,000 at the time. But LinkedIn said that they have been made aware of the breach and immediately they reset the password of the affected accounts. How do we forget Facebook if we are talking about cyber attacks? Yes, number 2 on the list is Facebook. Facebook is still a privacy nightmare. More than 540 million users' records were sitting in a plain sight, available to anyone who found them online. There were 2 separate instances. First involved Mexico City-based digital platform named Cultura Colectiva, which openly stored 540 million records of Facebook users. These records were accessible and can be downloaded by anyone who could find them online. The second instance contained a backup from a Facebook integrated application, namely @ThePool, which was exposed to the public internet via an Amazon S3 bucket. The backup contained the data of 22,000 users. These insecure backups were publicly available on AWS without any access control mechanism. First on the list is Yahoo. They have announced it had suffered a cyber attack in 2014 that affected 500 million users' accounts, constituting the largest massive hacking. The attackers compromised the real names, email address, dates of birth, and telephone numbers of 500 million users. In December 2016, Yahoo disclosed another breach from 2013 by a different attacker that compromised the names, date of birth, email addresses, passwords, and security questions of 1 billion users' accounts. And that's not it. Yahoo disclosed the revised compromised account to total of 3 billion users in 2017. It was not until 2018 that news broke about the Yahoo shell company receiving a $35 million fine for failing to disclose the whole incident. The company's cybersecurity issues contained in this matter extended from 2013 to 2018. That's all guys, thanks for watching. If you like our video, give the thumbs up, consider subscribing, and see you next time.